Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. I have lots of clients who, when giving consultations, many times they'll say, "Do I need a lawyer, an immigration lawyer, to help me with this?" And of course, nobody needs to have an immigration lawyer help them. But the reality is that if you want a much better chance of success, if you want to make sure things go right, then you want to hire somebody who knows what they're doing. You don't want to attempt to do it yourself in such a manner that you're not even going to know you did it wrong for 6 months. And then many times, when you do submit the wrong paperwork, or you check the wrong box, or you don't submit the correct evidence, you will hurt the ability for yourself to ultimately get it correct. I have some people who will say, well, they did some research on the internet, they found out they're supposed to do A, B, and C, and lo and behold, they did it, but they got it denied. And then, of course, I have to try to fix the situation because sometimes they'll admit to things or they'll do things that they shouldn't have done. And when you're looking at immigration law, it's like a web. When you do one thing, it's going to affect several different other areas, which, unless you know what to look for and what issues to see, you'll just walk right in the trap of immigration. So, when clients will say, well, can you expedite it or can you make it faster? Well, the reality is, if it's done right, it's going to go faster. It's going to go smoother. So it's not so much being able to expedite it or not. It's being able, number one, to do it correctly, and number two, to hopefully get that approval or to get a much higher chance of approval. So while I can't guarantee 100% success, and honestly, if any immigration lawyer states that there's a 100% guarantee, they're either lying or they're not sure what they're doing. Um, if you want to come to the United States or you want the particular visa, you ought to have it done professionally to give you a much better chance of being able to do what you want, which is to come to the United States as a resident or to work or to be with your loved one. Okay, more on the coming videos.